Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can download latest version of Turbo C++ on your Windows 11 operating system. So let's get started and let's see how you can do it. So first of all, open your favorite browser and search for Turbo C++ download. And the first link which will appear here will be from Developer Insider. So just click on this link and you will be redirected to this site. So I'm going to put this link in description and will be directly comes to this site and you will see a download Turbo C++ button. Just click on this button. So when you click on that, it's going to show you downloading within 10 seconds. It's going to start downloading our Turbo C++, right? The file has been downloaded. So I'm going to my download directory and you can see that our Turbo C++. So I hope you have enjoyed this video. Don't forget, like and comments.